What is phishing and how this attack works? Phishing is a method of trying to gather personal information using deceptive email and website. Every day increasingly sophisticated from cyber attack. Phishing is tricking the target into believing they need the email sent and clicking a link or downloading an attachment. Fish is pronounced just like it's left, which to say like the word. Fish, the analogy is of an angler throwing the bait hooked out there and hoping you bite. Phishing presents itself as a type of the trusted entity, often appearing as a natural person or a company that the target can do business with. Usually similar mails are sent. Your account has been hacked. Password reset. Now everything is okay. Let's install the tool on KALİ LİNUX. Be sure to learn what is ngrok and local tunnel. I will use the Cloudflare as an example. When the link is opened, it will look like this. The domain name will look like this. Let's write our username, email, password and click login. See username and password ahead. Let's see how the email we sent looks like from the phone. Let's click the login button. Look at the right. See the username and password has arrived. The content of the message you will send to the person is up to your skill. I have prepared such as tempo. This is how it will look like when dropped in your target's DM box. Look here, information will come. You see, it was recorded one by one. If you want a video like this come, you can donate, comment, or share the video. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.